Crispin, lagi na lang ikaw nandyan. Ano bang ginagawa mo dyan?
Padre, tanong lang po. Bakit po ba parang lagi niyo po pinapansin si Maria Clara? Alam niyo po, parang special na special siya sa inyo, eh.
Si Maria Clara. What are you talking about, Crispin? Wala akong pinapansin na ganoon. Bakit mo pa naisip yan?
Kasi po, laging niyo siya sinasabi sa mga sermon. At parang ang saya niyo tuwing siya ang topic. Sabi pa nga po ni Nanay, ang aga-aga, Padre Salvi, baka nga in love na sa kanya.
No. Hindi ako. Wala akong ganung nararamdaman. Si Maria Clara ay isang simbolo ng kabanalan. Walang kinalaman ang anumang personal na nararamdaman ko.
Po kasi, bakit parang kung may misa, lagi kayong tumitingin sa portrait ni Maria Clara? Parang may special connection po yata kayo.
Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ka laging nagsasalita ng mga ganitong bagay, Crispin. Hindi ako nakatingin sa kanya. Hindi ko siya tinitignan. Hindi ko siya gusto.
Hala, baka po. Baka po may secret crush kayo sa kanya, ha? Kasi sabi po ni Lolo, kapag may crush ka, parang hindi mo kayang hindi tumingin tapos laging misteryoso ang dating mo. Parang sa mga pelikula.
Hindi ko siya tinatangkilik. Wala. Wala akong ganun. Walang crush, wala. You don't understand, Crispin. You don't understand what I see.
Hala, Padre, bakit po kayo parang natatakot? Pwede po ba nating pag-usapan ito? Kasi po, kung may secret crush kayo, baka po kaya nyo pong gawing official like sa social media.
Shut up, Crispin. You don't know anything. This is not a game. You have no idea what you're saying. Maria Clara. She's not just some girl. She's different. I've seen things, Crispin. You can't imagine what I've seen.
Padre, para po kayong nagiging like a villain sa pelikula, ha?
You think this is funny? You think this is all joke? Maria Clara. She whispers to me every night. Her voice, it's haunting.
Padre, parang medyo creepy na po kayo. Di ba po kayo natatakot?
It's not fear, Crispin. I am chosen. You don't understand. She is calling me. She needs me. I am the one who is meant to protect her. And if I must be, I will do whatever it takes.
Padre, parang medyo iba na po yata yan.
You think you can stop me? You think you can stop us? You have no idea. No idea how much I've sacrificed for her. You'll understand soon enough. Soon enough.
Hala, Padre, parang may sakit po kayo. Ano po yan?
Hahaha. I'm fine. Nothing's wrong. But remember, Crispin, Maria Clara will always be mine.
Okay po, Padre. I'll just go now, maybe get some fresh air.
And so, Crispin fought, his heart racing with fear, his thoughts tangled in confusion and dread. But as he walked away from the church, he couldn't shake the feeling that someone was watching him. Hidden in the shadows, Padre Salvi's obsession, as dark and twisted as it was, would not end with that encounter. No.